The next one is there is a new toolbar here. Let's go to Window. Where can you access this? It's if you go to Window, there is what we call the contextual taskbar. If I uncheck this, you would see that this bar has been removed. If you want to access it again, let's go back to Window and let's go to contextual taskbar. Let's click on that, and this will enable you to do specific tasks based on what the tool you're using. For example, if I go to the text tool by pressing the T keyboard shortcut, and if I press on that, you would see that the contextual taskbar will change based on what type of tool you're trying to access. For example, let's type in like relax, and you can definitely see the efficiency in mind with this. Let's say 72. Let's select all of this and make this like bigger. It's like 300, and you can definitely see when I click on move tool, this will like change the contextual menu because I'm not using the appropriate tool. If you're on the brush tool, let's tap on this. Right now, I'm on text tool. Let's go back here, and you would see that this will also enable you to select subject if you want. Let's click on that, select subject, and this will trace your photo for specific like subjects inside of your photo, as you would see here. And also with that, you can tweak specific like functions. Let's say if you want to expand, if you want to smooth your selections, you can definitely do so using the contextual taskbar. There's a lot of options that you can use this for. Okay.